Hello, hello, hello. Come on in. Got so many things going on all at the same time. Now streaming, don't know who is here. If you are here, go ahead and say hello to me. I'd appreciate that. I am going to just take a few minutes today talking about emotional resilience. This group, I am so excited about you guys being here. This is a safe place, number one, and I wanted to make sure that you knew that it was a safe place. And I wanted to identify in some instances, I know we've got some issues with some of our newer people, as well as some of the previous people that have been in this group have been dealing with some grief. And I just had another call yesterday from a friend of mine whose husband just passed suddenly. So those things do happen. And so I wanted to definitely just talk about some emotional resilience, how we're going to get over what we're going through. I did post today that the quality of your life is directly proportional to your emotional health. And that is so important that we do recognize that. So I'm just going to give you very quickly here a little training. You really need some TLC is what I'm going to say in order for you to get over, get past, and get going. All right. So as far as getting over, we need to get over some of the grief things. And people will tell you very quickly that you need to get over what you're dealing with. And it's not as easy as it seems. Getting over losing a loved one is not easy. Getting over going through a divorce is not easy. And so what I'm going to say this is the T side of it, you need to take time to grieve and take time to grieve properly. If someone is pushing you to move forward, please just, set your boundaries and take a step back and say, all right, I understand that they are not understanding me at this moment. And that's okay. But take the time to grieve the loss. Take the time to process your grief. Take the time also to forgive. And when I say that, that's specifically more for those who have been rejected, those who have lost their jobs, those that are having to transition and move on because of something that someone else is doing to you. The second T in that is you need to totally release. And what do I mean by that? Totally release the idea that you thought your future was going to look like, because your present is not looking like it used to. So you need to then totally release that as you look for, and I say look for the collateral beauty as opposed to just the collateral damage. There's always something that is important, something that you can get out of it, something that is better than it was before. So look for that. Second thing, get past. So that's the get over, the T. The get past, the L. If you're going to get past what has happened to you to be emotionally resilient, then what I'm going to ask you to do is one, love yourself. In many instances, we haven't taken care of ourselves. We haven't done any of the self-care. And so because of that, we're kind of missing out, and our love tanks are empty. So love yourself. The Bible tells us that we're supposed to love our neighbors as we love ourselves. Don't forget the love yourself side of it. That doesn't mean that you're really selfish, but sometimes you can be selfish enough to get some sleep at night, selfish enough to eat a nice meal, a hot meal, and make sure that you're doing that. So L, you're going to love yourself. Secondly, you're going to learn your lesson. There's a lot of things that we can learn from a redirection, because I don't call them rejections, but redirection. You learn who really should be sitting at your table, who really is your support, who really is on your side. So learn those lessons. And as Maya Angelou would say, when a person shows you who they are, believe them the first time. All right. So we've released it. We've done our T. We've taken time to grieve. We've taken or totally released, but then we also loved ourselves and we learned the lesson. The last one is get going. And this is where I want everybody to keep moving. I don't want you to get stuck in the past. I don't want you to get stuck in the present and not look forward to the future. And that get going is the C. You need community. You need support, a support system. If you have a support system around you, that's excellent. If you don't, this group is going to be one of those safe places for you, as well as the support system. And I want to be able to support you as best as possible. But also, you not only need the community, the like-minded people who are trying to get you to move forward to that next level, but you need some coaching. That means you're going to need the accountability to go there as well. So if you're going to be emotionally resilient, you got to get over, you got to get past, and you got to get going. And so I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, and I just wanted to make sure that I came in, give you a little bit of information. I told you I wasn't going to be long. I said 15 minutes max. I do have somebody on the phone trying to get some other things done. Yes, you will have to do that. I want you to know that I am here for you. The community is here for you. The coaching is available for you. If you need anything, please, by all means, go ahead and post below. Let me know how I can assist you. I'm planning on doing in this group at least one live once a month, some training that's going to help you to move forward. Now, if you want more assistance than that, I do have available a group that that is in place, an inner circle group, but you do need to audition for it. I want to make sure the atmosphere in that group is one that is going to continue to move forward. So if you are ready to move forward and you think that that is going to be something for you, go ahead and type below audition, and I'll make sure I get in contact with you. In addition to that, I do have some private one-on-ones as well that are available. So I look forward to talking with you soon. Have a fantastic rest of your day. God bless, and hello, beautiful. You are still beautiful, so adjust your crown.